Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. The launch of the new GoPro Hero 9 Black is only a couple of hours away, and it is not leaking, it is flooding. Let us start with a few things that GoPro published itself. One first teaser makes reference to more pixels, and it was rumored that the camera will have a 23 megapixel sensor. At the end you may see a screen with the colored pattern we already saw on the leaked renderings. That strengthens the idea of them being the original GoPro renderings. The second teaser clearly shows a color screen on the front next to the camera lens, and, more exciting, the returned removable lens cover. It can also be found in a picture leaked on Reddit. Some Hero 9s were also already spotted on stores next to its predecessors. In this picture of some media-marked store on a French-speaking country, you can even see the contents of the box and the price. The Hero 9 is considerably bigger than the Hero 8. That is not strange, given the new big battery, the new color screen on the front and a presumably more powerful chip. That can require more space for heat dissipation. On this unboxing video is possible to see that the new camera is chunky. Are you excited for the camera launch tomorrow?